Hello. So, your Instagram account got disabled for no reason. Well, so did mine. Twice. So, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what the steps you can take to get your account back. So first, I want to just tell you guys what happened. About a week ago, my account got disabled randomly. I was actually doing a live. I was playing piano, and I got prompted with this. Confirm it's you to log in. And I thought nothing of it because this had happened before in the past, and I'd filled it out, and my account was fine. It never vanished. I didn't get logged out or anything. So I filled it out. I verified my number, and then it said thanks for providing your information, and we'll review your info. If we can confirm it, you'll be able to access your account within approximately 24 hours. So I was like, okay. I clicked done, and that's when I was prompted with a button that said, are you sure you want to log out of your account? And I was like, what? Like, why am I getting logged out? And that was the only button that I could click. So I logged out. And when I logged out, I realized my account was gone. So I didn't know what to think of it because I couldn't sign in again. And when I would sign in, it would just be like the same thing. Thanks for providing your info. And my friends started messaging me, telling me that like my account was just vanished. And some said like in our DMs, if they clicked on it, it would just say Instagram user. So I was pretty worried at this moment. I was like, what? Why is this happening? I didn't break any rules. I followed TOS and everything. So that's when I started like looking this up online. And when you look these things up online, you it's pretty scary to like read the things that have happened to people. And I just started to like, my heart just kind of sank. I was like, oh my goodness, this is like really, really sad. All these people losing their accounts and stuff. So I was like, am I even going to get my account back? And so after I decided to wait 24 hours. So I waited 24 hours, and then when I tried to sign in after 24 hours, I was prompted with a thing saying, your account has been disabled for violating our terms. And I was like, what did I violate? I was never told like what terms I violated, because I'm pretty sure I didn't violate any terms. I followed TOS, like I said before. So then I filled out the form, and I filled out this form, and within like a few minutes, I was able to get my account back. So now being on iOS, this was very easy to do. But for you guys who are on Android, this can be pretty challenging because, I tried to sign in on my Android, to see like if I would get a different prompt or anything. When you try and sign in on Android, you will not get a prompt like that. It'll just say like account not found, I'm pretty sure. So I have put the form that you have to fill out in the description. And if you try and fill it out and it says like you're doing things too quickly or you've been like rate limited, I would wait 24 hours and then try again. But yeah, that's basically what I did. And when you write the appeal form, I'll make sure to describe exactly what happened. Let them know you did nothing wrong, because it's just so random. And that's about it. So I'm not gonna like say there might be other methods to get your account back, but I feel like this was the easiest for me. Though I did have to wait 24 hours before I was able to fill out the form. But other than that, yeah. So that's my advice I have for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram or email me. And yeah, there you go, guys. Have an amazing day. I hope this video helped.